All right, guys, let me show you a little update I'm doing to my handyman work bag, okay? So what happened is these right here, the little sides here, was just flopping down to the side, okay? So I just took some, I think it's 1/2-inch PEX and zip tied it in. And on both sides, working great. Absolutely, I really like it. And another thing is take the same PEX and you stick it in there, and it's hard to do with one hand, but you stick them in there and it'll hold your screwdrivers without it poking through the bottom of your toolbox. So anyway, and I got another one here, and it just works out really good. So anyway, see I got all of them like that. See, works really good. But that's it. That's my little upgrade I did to my handyman work bag. Thanks. God bless. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe. See you on my next adventure. River Jumper out.